Add this to your site to get instant traffic on your site. Increase your traffic site by 120%. The more people visit your site, the more Google will add value to your website and boost the ranking of your site.
Stay with me, little bitch, yeah, you know that I'm your man. You be capping like a snitch, no thoughts, no stand. 2 hoes, 10 toes, new guac, new bands, new whip, new chips, new kicks.
This will also increase the number of backlinks on your site automatically. And all that links will be quality backlinks. The more quality backlinks you have, the more your website will be ranked. Guess what am I talking about? Okay, fine. I'm talking about adding a free tool to your website. Yes, a free tool. Let me show you which tool I mean here. Just like this website. You can add one or more tools to your website. This website has different tools for its visitors. It has text analysis tools, image editing tools, keyword tools, and backlinks tools. You can also add these tools to your website. And the good thing is that your site will get all the organic visitor, not by the Google ads. It'll original visitors that will add value to your site. Now let's talk about how you can get these tools to add them on your site. Check this website, kadekanyan.net. You will get here all the marketing, SEO, image processing and many more tools. Just search for SEO. Here we go. See. There are several SEO tools you can buy here. Just look at marketing tools. As you can see, several tools for marketing as well. Buy them and add to your site to get quality ranking and visitors. Hope you got the point and will try this out. Don't forget to share the results in the comments section after implementing the trick. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video to your friends.